honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MieshaLave, and today I will be showing you guys how I dyed the fur for my boots. If you have not already seen my tutorial on how I actually make my fur boots as well as my fur headbands, I will have both of those video links down in the description box.
You can wait for me to put my hands on you, boy, you feel the heat on your body, and you're waiting for it, it is starting, and your body's waiting on me, yeah.
This is a great DIY and it's very inexpensive. Some of the fabric stores don't have the colors that you may want, or they may just be too high to purchase at the time. All you need is some white fur, and we're gonna make them our own. Now I did do the fur one color, which is green, because I'm making these for someone and that's what color they wanted them. But I do multi-dye my fur, so if you guys want to see a video of me multi-dyeing fur, go ahead and comment that down below.
And the place is just shoot. Boy, you know my body is calling your name. Every night is something new, your touch is not the same. You can be excited, surprised every day. I can't wait for you to put your hands on me, baby.
I'm taking this plastic wrap and I'm just making a base so that I can protect my counter from getting stained from the dye. And I eventually figured out that I need to put something under it, which I just use newspaper, just so if anything seeps through, it'll get on the newspaper and not my counter. And then I put the plastic wrap on top, and I took some tape and just taped it down because I'm going to be doing a lot of brushing and combing and I don't want it to move. So for our mixture, we're just going to use this dyeing bowl, a dyeing brush, some hair dye, and also some conditioner. And we're going to put that in a bowl, and I added some water. You don't want your mixture to be thick because it'll mess up the fur and also take too long to dry. And I'm just combing out the fur just to get all of the extra hairs out that I possibly can, and brushing it all one way so that once I apply the dye to it, I can see what I'm doing. And when you're using conditioner, the reason we use the conditioner is so that the fur can stay soft. And also you want to make sure you use white conditioner because you don't want to dilute the color any more than you're already doing. And you want it, because the more water and the more products you put in the dye, the more it's going to dilute and your color is just going to fade away. So if you want your color to be a little bit lighter, you're going to add more water and more conditioner. And if you want it to be darker, you're going to add less. So it may look as if all of the hairs are dyed, but it's not. So you want to go through it a couple times, and you want to make sure that you keep combing, comb, because you don't want the hairs to get stuck or, you know, just clump up together. So you want to make sure you keep combing so they can stay soft, as well as working that product in. So I'm just going back in, making sure that I got everything. If I see a blotchy spot, I put some dye on it and I comb it through. And I did this a couple times. I just didn't include it in this video because I didn't want it to be so long. So So now we're just gonna let this sit and air dry. Please make sure that you wear gloves when you do this because your fingers will be dyed. I didn't care about mine being dyed, but make sure that you wear gloves. This is how it looks when it's halfway dry, and this is how it looks when it's all the way dry. This is fluffy and furry, and then the next clip will be it just laying down and tame. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you feel about this video. And also, if you want any more tutorials on fur, or you want to see a fur series of me making things, comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. I love you guys. Bye.